So guys, we're gonna play Teardown and we're gonna go in a Ikea shop center. Yeah? There's a little bit of a big map. Yeah?
Yeah, it's a big map.
It's a bit laggy. But it's okay, we can deal with this out. It's an elevator. Hello?
I think it doesn't work. Huh? Why it is this sign? Huh?
Poop. It just destroyed that light.
Mm.
Maybe shoot. Oh yeah, that's the end of the map.
Let's go to the shop. Okay?
Yeah. Okay. Okay, this is the shop. Yeah?
Mm.
Map. Look at this. Arrow. Destroy this arrow. Who needs to go that way? We're going where
we
we
need
want.
to go that way, huh?
But it's destroyed. Yeah. My package. My package. What's in that package? What's in there? What? It's a TV. Who needs that?
A very beautiful shop of furniture and other stuff.
Here has very much furniture, yeah.
Mm.
Let's see. There's like tables, lamps. And yeah. Ikea is this way. The real Ikea. Yeah, okay. Why not just... What is this box? Like a light? Yeah? Light box. Let's destroy that sign. Shooting that sign. I don't know why, but I don't like it. Don't like the sign. Look at these beautiful swords. Reload. What are these? Like tablets? Yeet. Share. Plus light equals day. Okay, let's go further. Yeah. What is above the ceiling?
Above? This is a whole building, huh?
I think nothing. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Taking the sign. What is this now? Oh, the strings. Yeah, popped out.
But how everything got well organized in that shop, yeah?
This light. It's a strong light. It's not a strong IKEA light. Let me just take this. And well, this is put a hole in that wall, the IKEA wall. There's like another room here.
Yeah.
Like
how it's supposed to be that room shop, huh?
Yeah. And now it's going to look. Yeah. Let's try something else. You know what?
You
We
like
like our things
gold?
golden
Golden. Yeah.
with golden table. Oh, very hard table.
Uh,
Let's go through. It's
you broke.
the golden table.
Yeah.
It's worth $1 million. Yeah.
No, not.
Okay, that's a
Furniture. New furniture.
liquefy. This is a new tool. Woo! Look at that.
Liquefy.
This snapped it into little bits. Yeah. That's what I just. And just take this. This is ours. Is the take that IKEA. Stupid IKEA. No one likes you. Sorry, IKEA. If you're watching this, IKEA, maybe I don't know. Is IKEA watching my channel? No. IKEA is pretty good, actually. Yeah, it's a pretty good store.
Very pleasant to the store.
Swings. Yeah, very pleasant to destroy IKEA. IKEA! Take this box and check. IKEA is pretty laggy, but yeah. Why is IKEA laggy in real life? It's not laggy. It's just packages. But what are these? Like,
We have a know.
oh yeah, little sign. You. Let's just look. It is knocked it down. How is it still hanging? What? Here, shoot the light out. um, let's see the ceiling. Shoot that light out.
Precision. This is a
Phew.
sniper. Yeah.
This is a gun.
Ah,
Pistol.
gun.
Precision, precision, precision.
Do you know those chairs? Computer chairs. Look.
Yeah. Hmm. No, what's this again? Arrow.
Show you where to go, huh?
You say that way into that wall? This is a table flipped over. Cursed. Sorry, it's not cursed, but don't like it.
Do you have more powerful gun, huh?
More powerful.
Yeah. More damage. Oh,
You can do this. Do you like this?
yeah.
I'm going to lag out my game because this map is too big for my computer.
It's more efficient, huh?
But it's really laggy. You know, that's the problem. You see?
Oh, chill.
chair just flew by.
Mhm.
I had other tools, but I forgot to enable it, you know?
Mhm.
I had the stone cutter, you know, and other things.
Yeah, have a gun also.
Boom, kaboom.
Beautiful
Chair.
defense.
Die chair. Destroy that pile. Destroy that. The satisfaction. Satisfying?
Yeah, that's very pleasant. Look,
Is that an IKEA monsters? IKEA monsters?
one more like yeah.
There's an SP IKEA. 3008. You know that?
Uh,
IKEA. Infinite IKEA.
mhm.
I saw that, but I clicked lower lag.
Oh,
No lag version. But it still has lag.
very little.
Yeah. But,
Because it's one of the biggest map, huh?
yeah.
In this game, huh?
The biggest. Is that glass?
Biggest shop, huh?
Shh. Destroy it. Is that a gaming computer?
Whoopsie. I can see through the wall, huh? Nah.
IKEA, sorry. I destroyed your secret. Fridge, dude. Look at
You
this.
think it's fridge?
Yeah, it's
Oh,
fridge.
yeah. Sorry for your ideas.
The glass, I'm just breaking. Breaking the glass. Look at this beautiful kitchen. The fridge is still alive. Kill it. Then, destroy that painting. It's satisfying. Yeah. What is
The hole it is not that you fall to the void, huh? If you go into that hole, do you know?
Yeah.
That is
Does IKEA have the void under it in real life? Conspiracy
no,
sword.
huh?
No, it doesn't.
But it's tear down, huh?
Yeah. If it had it, then it would be just blow minds, you know?
Mm.
If that was true. IKEA, this is, the IKEA workers is just, nobody saw that. Nobody just broke through the world.
This time I think it's nighttime. There are no employees here.
Make enough.
What? We left a lot of stuff. Look, huh? Look, huh?
Yeah,
In
but
front of you,
it's
huh?
infinite.
No, it's not infinite. I read, huh?
Yeah,
I was
but
reading, huh? It's not infinite, huh? It's big, but it's not
the
infinite.
same thing. Just going past it.
Okay, can you do something epic, huh? Like bombs and
Bombs and
okay, enough.
yeah, look at that explosions.
Mhm.
Oh yeah, pretty cool, but not really cool. Cable
What what is it? What is that?
cables are cables.
It's
Wow.
just a cable.
Hole?
Cable is just
Cable is cable is cable is cable.
turning the wall. It'll be more expensive.
Yeah. Ikea will be expensive. Why are the golden lights? The lights don't want to be gold. Why? I don't know. Beautiful. Do you say like golden painting? Did you say that? Right. Say shiny shot. Look at it now. It's beautiful. Notice this hole in the floor. That's a floor. Look.
What's a floor? What have you done? There's no floor anymore.
But look.
It 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 stays. There is floor, huh? How did it can hold? Huh?
Guys, did you do this in this Ikea map? Because I mind
When you
blown.
go through this, through this hole,
I'm gonna walk around the hole. Yeah, I don't wanna.
the one fall down.
Yeah.
Do you have Thanos gun?
I have it, but I don't wanna use it.
Whole grenade? No. Kaboom.
Pew 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 pew.
You should the roof.
Yeah. What more to do?
What more?
Yeah.
I think we messing around in the IKEA for good time, huh? Maybe it's enough. Oh, that's one. Huh? I forgot that you have the gun. Huh? I'll set on
Please
fire.
press the button for the fire.
Mm-hmm.
Means like and subscribe and thanks for watching and bye.